And well, the Amarnath Yatra that has been temporarily suspended from both the Pahalgam and Baltal routes to the Holy Cave. Heavy rainfall in the area that has caused a slippery track. Conditions are not favorable, making the pilgrimage unsafe. Authorities are monitoring the situation closely to ensure safety for all pilgrims. Let me cut across to Gursimran, but before he joins us live, he sent us this report from the ground. Let's take a look.
Baba Barfani's Yatra has been halted on the 6th of July, keeping in view the inclement weather conditions that are prevailing in the upper reaches of the Amarnath Yatra cave. Right now, we are in the Kashmir Valley, where the Yatra that has already performed darshan is returning back to the base camps. But now, the other Yatra is not being released for the upper side, that is towards the Baltal, and from the Pahalgam base camps, they are not being left for the holy cave of Baba Barfani. This has been done due to the inclement weather condition and the incessant rainfall that is taken place in the cave, and there is a slippery conditions of the road that may lead to any of the eventuality. Keeping that in view, it has been decided that the Yatra will be temporarily suspended, and the next decision will be taken once the weather opens up at the holy cave of Baba Barfani. It's pertinent to mention that close to 1.5 lakh pilgrims have already paid the darshans of the Baba Barfani this year. On daily basis, more than 20 to 25,000 pilgrims are paying the obeisance at the holy cave on the daily basis. But now the decision has been taken to temporarily halt the Yatra, keeping in view the inclement weather condition and the incessant rainfalls that are taking place. Additionally, the Yatra from the Jammu has also been moved to the Chandrakot base camp so that there is no accumulation of the pilgrims in the Kashmir Valley that may lead to the disruptions in the management of the traffic and also the pilgrimage system that has been put in place. And both the deputy commissioners and the divisional commissioners of the Jammu as well as the Kashmir division, they are also keeping a strict vigil on the developments of the weather so that once the weather improves, the Yatra can be resumed. With Sir Jeevan Kumar, Gursimran Singh for Republic Media Network.
Gursimran now joining us live. Good morning to you, Gursimran. Do tell us how the pilgrims are coping with such unfavorable conditions and how the authorities are ensuring that the best possible aid is provided.
Good morning, Soyesha. And yes, the Yatra has been halted due to the weather disruptions that have taken place at the Amarnath Yatra Holy Cave, especially the incessant rainfalls that are underway since late last night. And keeping that in view, the decision has been taken that Yatra won't be released from both the base camps, that is the Baltal and the Pahalgam base camp. Though the Yatra was released from Jammu towards the Kashmir Valley, but from the Ramban it has been moved to the Chandrakot temporary base camp that has been activated as a precautionary measure so that there is no accumulation of the pilgrims in the Kashmir Valley that may cripple down the system of the pilgrims management. So it is going on smoothly, and now the Yatra is returning. Today, what it seems for now that the Yatra won't be resumed till the time the rain stops and also the slippery track conditions improve. This has been left to the camp directors at both the Baltal and the Pahalgam as well as the camp directors at the Holy Cave, that they will be taking the decision, and that will be duly corroborated by the inputs by the IMD department so that there is no such incident that we have seen when the cloudburst took place in the Holy Cave that led to an unfortunate incident. To evade any kind of eventuality, precautionary measures are being taken, and that was the reason that there is no rainfall in the base camps, but due to the rains that are there in the Panchtarni and in the Holy Cave of Baba Barfani, the decision has been taken that the Yatra will be halted, and now all the Yatras have been asked to stay at the base camps till the time the Yatra is resumed. And tomorrow, if the Yatra does not resume, the batch that is leaving from the Jammu will not be allowed to leave, as they don't want the accumulation of the Yatra at a single place that can lead to the disruptions in the management system.
All right, Gursimran, many thanks for getting us those details. Of course, we'll keep coming back to you for further updates. For the moment, we shift our focus to other top news making headlines from across the country.